2017 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, steel wheels, low tire pressure warning. Come see the car for yourself.